This is a 40-foot conveyor belt. I don't have the make on it, but it doesn't have a motor. This conveyor belt was purchased for the owner who was in the topsoil business. Tires are low. Looks like they do hold air. They just need to be filled up. A lot of surface rust. Belts actually look decent. This one probably need to be replaced right here. There's some issues right there. Chain, rusty chain over there. Definitely needs service. Needs to be re-greased, repainted. A lot of TLC. A long shot. The steering wheel's bent. There's your long shot. Rubber's still good. That's your 40-foot conveyor belt.